Hello, just want to show a little bit of my experience of doing some maintenance on my M62. This is the 50 hour, so I'm going through changing out the filters, doing oil change, and so forth. The oil change was relatively easy. It was 2 bolts at the bottom of the oil pan, drain that out, change out the filter, no big deal. The transmission filters, though, were a little bit more difficult. I ended up going through and removing the plate over here on the back so you can see the 2 filters to get a little bit more access. I had some dirt that had built up over there, so I just made it easier to get access to the filters. Nobody told me about how much hydraulic fluid would be coming out when I went to change that out. I knew it was going to be some, but I didn't realize it was going to be about a full gallon. I wish I had gone on YouTube and learned the whole vacuum cleaner trick, which I'll probably show when I go to do replacement next time. Definitely was not expecting that much of a mess. You can kind of see a little bit of that mess all